Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself searching for that perfect lip gloss that gives you that high-impact shine without being too sticky? If so, today's review might just have the answer. We're taking a closer look at the Rimmel Stay Plump Lip Gloss in the shade 840 Showstopper. This gloss promises to deliver smooth, glossy lips with a show-stopping shine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Now, when we talk about lip gloss, it's not just about the color or the shine. It's about comfort, texture, and longevity. The Rimmel Stay Plump Lip Gloss is a liquid gloss that boasts a glossy finish with a smooth, non-sticky texture. The shade Showstopper is a vibrant, attention-grabbing color that sits somewhere between a pink and a coral, making it a versatile shade for various skin tones. When it comes to the key ingredients, this gloss is designed to offer smoothing benefits, leaving your lips feeling soft and moisturized. The glossy finish provides that high shine look without any of the stickiness that can often turn people off from glosses. So how does it perform in real life? I've been testing this gloss for a few days now, and one thing I really appreciate is how easy it is to apply. The applicator is standard, but it has a good amount of precision to coat the lips evenly. The formula is smooth and glides on effortlessly, leaving behind a lovely sheen that isn't too heavy. If you've ever been frustrated with a lip gloss that feels like it's constantly slipping off your lips, this one stays in place pretty well. Now, it's important to talk about comfort. I've tried lip glosses in the past that left my lips feeling sticky or overly greasy, but this one doesn't have that issue. It feels lightweight, almost like a balm, which is a huge plus. There's no heaviness, and it doesn't dry out my lips after prolonged wear, which I've found with some other glosses. However, I did notice that the shine tends to fade after a few hours, especially if you're drinking or eating. That's pretty typical with lip glosses, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a gloss that will last for hours on end without any touch-ups. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this gloss offers a great, non-sticky formula that gives your lips a glossy finish without feeling heavy. The color Showstopper is perfect for adding a pop of color to your look without being over the top. It's smooth, easy to apply, and comfortable to wear throughout the day. Plus, the price point is reasonable for the quality you get. On the downside, as mentioned, the gloss doesn't have the best staying power. You'll likely need to reapply throughout the day if you want to keep that glossy shine. Additionally, if you're expecting something that will plump your lips dramatically, you might be a bit disappointed. While it does offer a smooth, moisturized feel, it doesn't really have a noticeable plumping effect. So is this gloss worth your money? For its price, it does deliver a lot of value. You get a high-quality, glossy lip product that's comfortable, easy to wear, and adds a nice pop of color. If you're looking for a lip gloss that provides a touch of color and shine for daily wear, this is definitely worth considering. In terms of alternatives, if you're on the hunt for a gloss with more staying power, you might want to explore some long-wear options from brands like Fenty or Maybelline, which offer more durability for those of us who need gloss to last throughout the day. But if you're okay with occasional touch-ups, the Rimmel Stay Plump Lip Gloss does a great job at what it promises. Now let's talk about the packaging. It's simple, sleek, and functional. It's easy to pop into your bag for a quick reapplication, and the applicator makes the process super simple without a lot of mess. In conclusion, the Rimmel Stay Plump Lip Gloss in 840 Showstopper is a solid choice for anyone who loves a high-shine, non-sticky lip gloss that delivers smooth, moisturized lips. It's not a miracle plumper, but it does exactly what it promises: smooth, glossy lips with a fresh, vibrant color. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this gloss, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the Rimmel Stay Plump Lip Gloss. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.